Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
So, tara, solve kita. QR code, pass. So, punta kita sa Jollibee. Jollibee, Katarman. Okay. Protocol. Okay. Order kita. Order up. As usual na ako kaya kung may order nito ko ano. Burger. Then cook. Oh, dining. Sige yung yung 91. Y1. May ito. May silang pwesto. Dulo. Okay. Ito po guys ha. Bago order simple lang. Fries, then burger or fries. Mari na kita kay kumana. Jollibee Katarman. Thank you. Thank you Jollibee Katarman.
Thank you.
Bro, Katarman kita. Tambay.
Andito kami ngayon sa McDonald's.
Shout out. Waray TV. Shout out Waray TV.
At ang TV!
Okay. May pagbalon nga Jollibee. Arexel Smakdo. Okay. Mac spaghetti with fries and drink. Dua. Take out. Shout out. McDonald's crew, Katarman. Shout out. McDonald's branch, Katarman, Northern Samar. The first in Northern Samar. McDo. Number 3. Waiting kita. Pumasok pa kanina sa Jollibee, then tinuloy ko na rito. Nagmadali ako doon kumain doon, tapos pumunta ko rito para masadyakan ko ang McDonald's brunch dito sa Katarman. So yan, balon, Jollibee, french fries. Dining area, McDonald's Katarman brunch. Take out. Going home. Okay, subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Uli na. Okay, buddy ha. Thank you. McDonald's, Katarman.
Hoy, what's up, Waray TV?